Hello students, welcome to Smart Study Guide by Ajay sir. This is new syllabus SSC Maharashtra State Board Standard 9th Subject Mathematics Part 1, that is Algebra. This is lesson number 1, Sets. Today we are solving practice set 1.1. Let us start it. Before discussion, practice set 1 by 1, let us start some basic concept. Observe this picture. The first picture is flower bouquet. Second is bunch of the keys. Third is collection of numbers. So these are the collection of particular objects. This is a collection of the keys. This is a collection of numbers. So all these indicate some bunch or collection of well-defined object. So therefore, set is defined as collection of well-defined object, or the collection of well-defined object is called set. Set is a collection of well-defined object, or it is a set of similar object. That is a collection of similar object, elements or group. So it's called a set. Next point. Rules of writing set. So how to write a set? Let us consider one example. Set A is a vowel in English alphabet. Suppose set A is a vowel in English alphabet. So therefore, how to write a set? So these are the vowels in English alphabet, and therefore, generally the name of the set is given by capital letters A, B, C, D. Means any set is indicated by capital letter like this A, B, C. Any capital letters you can use. So this is a first point. Next, the elements or the members of the set are shown by using a small letter A, B, C, D. So this small letter indicates elements or the members of that set. If A is an element of set A, then we write it as A belongs to A. So this symbol is called as belongs to. Means A is an element of set A. And if A is not an element of set A, then we can write A which is not belongs to A. So this is symbol of belongs to, this is not belongs to. Now these are some examples of types of number set. N indicate natural numbers. Natural numbers we can write in curly brackets all natural numbers like this 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is a set of natural numbers. Similarly, whole number is indicated by W. Therefore, it is a set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. It is starting from 0. It's called as whole number. Set of whole number. Similarly, integers. All integers from negative to positive, left side, right side with 0. So this set is called as integers. So therefore, these are the methods or these are the rules of writing set. Set is always indicated by capital letters, and in curly bracket its elements we can write by separating the commas. Next point, types of numbers. So natural numbers is indicated by capital N. So it is set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 and so on. The finite numbers, that set is called as natural number. Whole number is indicated by W. It is a set starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. The finite numbers. Similarly, set of integers, that is indicated by I. So this is again starting from negative numbers. Negative minus is minus 5, minus 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, continuous. Next, prime numbers. Prime numbers, you can use any letter A, B, C, D. So prime numbers are the numbers which are divided by itself only, or that numbers cannot become in any table. So that numbers are called as prime number. So it's starting from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So these numbers cannot come in any table, or these numbers are divisible by itself. So it's called as prime number. If you consider these prime numbers from 0 to 20 or 1 to 20, so you see that only 2 is an even prime number. Others are all odd prime numbers. Only 2 is an element which is even prime number. Let us start next point. Methods of writing sets. How or which are the methods? There are two methods of writing set. The first method, that is listing method or roster method. So in this method, we write all elements of set in curly bracket. In curly bracket, we are writing all elements. Each of the elements is written only once and separated by commas. So only one time we have to write that element. No repetition is allowed there. So it's called as listing method, or it's also called as roster method. Because all elements we have to write in that curly bracket, and there is no repetition is allowed. Only once that element we have to write. For example, the set of odd numbers between 1 to 10. So can be written as A is equal to all odd numbers from 1 to 10 we have to write, that is 3, 5, 7, 9. So these are the odd numbers we can write in any order. 7 we can write first, then 3, 5, 9, but there is no repetition. Only one element you have to write once or one time only. So this is called as listing. Means we are write all the list of the elements by separating the commas. Now second method, that is rule method or set builder form. Rule method, or in this method we do not write the list of the element, but write the general elements using variables followed by vertical line or colon, and write the property of the variable. Means in this method we are not writing in the form of list like this. So there one rule, one formula we are using, and using that formula all elements we can all elements we can write by using that formula. Means we have to convert that all element in one formula or one rule we have to use, and we have to write that rule method. So this is another method of writing set. For example, suppose A is a set. So in curly bracket, X is an element such as X belongs to n. X is between 1 to 10, and it's read as set A is a set of all X. So this is a reading. How to read set A is a set of X such that X belongs to n and X is a natural number between 1 to 10. So this way we can read this set. So this is called as rule method. This one rule we have to use, and by using that we can write all the elements by using that rule. So means this is not in the form of list. So one particular rule we have to use, or these numbers we have to convert in such a way that that is converted into one rule. Okay, so this is called as rule method. So while solving examples, you will understand that more clearly. So let us discuss some examples. So methods of writing set. Which are the methods? Just now we discussed listing method or rule method. So let us discuss some examples. So listing method or is also called as roster method, and another method that is set builder or rule method. Suppose the set A is a set of all these elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So then this set we can write in set builder form as a set A is equal to X such that X is an element or X is an even natural number less than 15. So see that if you consider this as an even natural number less than 15, so natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, but here even numbers you have to use. We are taking only even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, but less than 15. So this set is listing form and this is rule form, or it's also called as rule method. Second example, suppose another set is B such that it is an element 4, 9, 16. So that we can write, if you observe this 4, 9, 6, 16. So these are the numbers 2, 3 and 4 square. So all these numbers are 2 square, 3 square, then 4 square. Means they are perfect square numbers. See that B is an set such that X is an perfect square number between 1 to 20. Between 1 to 20. So these are perfect square numbers. Now another example. Let's see with the set that is elements A, E, I, O, U. So A, E, I, O, U, that is vowels in English alphabet. So in a set builder form, C which is set such that X is an vowel in English alphabet. Another set. So in rule method, so D is a set such that Y is an element. Y is an colors in rainbow. This element Y, so that is variable. So that is colors in rainbow. 7 colors are there: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So this is list of that colors. Similarly, P is a set such that X is an integer and X is from -3 to 3. So therefore all these integers, so x is greater than -3 and less than 3. So greater than -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So these elements will come. So this is called as P set. Similarly, another example, M is a set such that x is a cube of natural number. So cube of natural number. So natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So cube, 1 cube, 1, 2 cube, 8, 3 cube, 27, 4 cube, 64, 5 cube, 1, 25. So these are the listing method and so on. So this is a set M. So these are the examples of listing method and rule method. Let us start next point. Practice set 1.1. Let us start practice set 1.1. First question. Write the following set in roster form. Roster form you have to write. So this is given in a statement and you have to give, or you have to write this in a roster form, or you have to write in the, so this you have to write. Roster form means it is listing form you have to write. So all these elements you have to write in, convert it in the form of list. So first question, it is a set of natural number, even natural number. Let us start first example. Set A is a even natural number. Let us denote it as a capital A is a set, curly bracket, even natural number. So means it is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Curly bracket. So this is first answer. Now second, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. So all these even prime numbers you have to write from 1 to 50. Let us consider this set as a B. So only even prime number you have to write. Just now we discuss prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 7, then 11. So these are the prime number just now we discuss, but only even prime number is 2 only. So this is the answer. Even prime number is only 2. Others are all odd prime numbers. So prime numbers are the number which is divisible by itself, or that number cannot be come in another table. So that come in itself table or any other table, so that number cannot repeat. So it's called as prime number. Now third question, set of negative integers. Let us consider this is a set C, suppose is a set which contains negative integers. All negative integers we have to write -1, -2, -3 and so on. This is set of all negative integers. Now fourth question, 7 basic sounds of sargam or sur. So fourth question answer. So all these 7, let us consider this seed is a D. So all these 7 basic sounds of sargam, it is starting from Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, ni. And again sa. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. But sa element you have to write only once. So therefore this is complete. So these are 7 basic sounds of sargam. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni and sa. Now next question. Let us move to the next question. Write the following symbolic statement in words. So second question is, so we have to write this in the form of word. Second is this question, and third. So you have to write the symbolic statement in the form of word. Now first, let us consider, or we have to write this in the form of word. First we will read this. 4 upon 3 belongs to, this symbol is belongs to set Q, or 4 by 3 is an element of set Q. So we write this 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. Second, the form of word we have to write. Second, -2 is not an element of set n. So this is not belongs to is not an element. So -2 is not an element of set n. Similarly, third, so symbolic form you have to write in the form of word statement. Now here, set P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number. So let us write in word. Set P is an set of all P's such that P is an odd number. So like this, you have to write symbolic form, you have to write in the word form. Let us start the next question. Write any two set by listing method and by rule method. So you have to write any two examples in both the form. Let us consider these examples. So in these examples, so we know that, so we discussed just now. So these examples, any two examples we can write in both the form, listing method also and set builder form. So out of these examples you can write, or you can write your own examples. So this is the answer of this question. The next question, question number 4. Write the following sets using listing method. Using listing method, you have to write this. So first question, all month in solar year. So let us write all month in solar year. So this is first. Let us consider any alphabet A, B, C, D. Let us consider A is a set in curly bracket, all month in Indian solar year. Indian solar year. So months starting from Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyesht, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magh and Phalgun. So these are the Indian solar year month, and another, that is January, February. So these we have to not write. So these are not Indian solar year. So these are Georgian. These elements are from English solar year. So that we have to not consider only the Indian solar year. So that is the elements, that is Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyesht, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, then Paush, Magh and Phalgun. So these are 12 Indian solar year month: Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyesht, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magh and Phalgun. So these are the elements of set E. Similarly, question number 2, letters in the word complement. So in this word complement, so we have to write this in the listing method. Let us consider this set as a B set, set B. You can write. So all these letters you have to write by comma, C, comma, O, comma, M, P, L, P. Then this M again repeated. So M you have to write only one. Then L and T. So all these elements, those elements, so here see that M and M, capital E and E. So these elements are repeating M and E, but only one time you have to write that element. M and E. The word complement. So those numbers or those letters are repeating. So you have to write only one time that element. So this is a set. Similarly, third, set of human sensory organ. Set of human sensory organ. So this set we have to write. So let us write that set, human sensory organ. So this set we are writing now. So let us consider this is a third. Let us consider this set as a X set. Human sensory organ. There are 5 sensory organs. That is nose, ears, eyes, tongue, skin. So these are all 5 sensory organs. Now let us move to the next question. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. This is fourth. Prime numbers we have to write. Let us consider this set as a Z set. Prime numbers we have to write from 1 to 20. That is, first is 2, 3, then 5, 7, 8 and 9 are in the table. So 10 is also there. So 11, 13, 14, then 15, 16, 17. So this is 17 and 19. So all these are the elements are called as prime numbers from 1 to 20. So now let us start now next question. Fifth question. Names of continents of the world. This question is names of continent of the world. There are 7 continents. So let us consider this set as a Y set. Any letter you can use. So these are the continents are Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America and North America. So these are the continents, 7 continents. Let us write this. Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America, and North America. So these are 7 continents of the world. So this is the solution of question number 5. Sub question 5. Now let us start next question. Now write the following set in rule method. This is again opposite to the previous question. So here elements are given and you have to convert in the rule form. So let us first write this first question. So A is a set. Observe this set. So A which is given, that is 1, 4, 9, 6, 16, 25. Means here see that all these numbers are square of natural numbers. So that is 1 square 1, 2 square 2. So means all these elements, there is some relation is that all are the numbers are natural numbers and all are the square of each natural numbers. The starting from natural number. So therefore we can write this set as a, first you have to observe, you have to identify what is a relation between all these elements. So means here we observe here. So let us consider natural number. So that is a natural number, we know that. So n is a natural number. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is a natural number and these elements 1, 2, 3. So these are the elements of, and last element is 10 here. If you take square of each element, square of each element if you take. So then you will get all these elements. First you have to identify what is the relation between all these elements. So 1 square, that is 4, is natural number, then written is writing in the form 1 1, then 4, then this is 9, 16, so this is 25, this is 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. Is this natural number, that is n, which is in the form of a, is given here. Means we can write this set. So there is a relation, means we can consider this element as any x, we can consider as a small n. So this we can consider because n is the number which is changing. Suppose 1, 2, here now 3, 4. So this n is variable. Okay, so n belongs to natural number here. So let us consider here, this is n. So all these numbers, so this is a n. So means n belongs to natural number. So therefore our set A. So how to write in the rule method? So that is x is an element, suppose x is an element. So that is such that x which is equal to n square. N is variable and is square of n square, and n belongs to natural number, and n, not all natural numbers we are considering, only the numbers till 100 or the numbers that is natural number till 10 we have to consider. This is less than or equal to 10, or we can write natural number strictly less than 11. So means all natural numbers will come starting from 1 to 10. So this is called as in the form of rule method. So this is in the form of rule method. Now next question. Now second B. Again here, again you have to observe this second B. So you have to identify what is the relation first, second, between all these elements. Suppose if you write set is B 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. First you have to start from natural number. Suppose if it is 1, 2, 3 numbers are there, if you take natural number, so natural numbers if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, if you take, if you multiply each number, if you multiply this number, this is converted into 6. If you multiply second number, again 6 into 2, 12. Is all numbers if you multiply by 6, so then this number is gonna, if you multiply again here 6, then this you will get 3 into 6, that is 18. 4 into 6, 24. Means each number if you multiply by 6, 6 is a constant, but 1, 2, 3, like previously it is 6n. Means if you multiply 6n, means x is an element, that is 6n. So therefore this set we can write. So set B is given. So this you have to write in the rule method, that is B is a set such that x is equal to 6n like previously. Again here n is belongs to natural number, and n again here strictly it is less than 9 or it is less than or equal to 8. Less than 9 we can write. So in this way we have to write this given listing method into the rule method. First we have to observe that, you have to find the relation, and then you have to write that set. Now next question number 3. Set C is given and it is a smile. So word, the letter in the word smile. So this is a next question. So that you have to write in the rule method. Let us consider set C in the rule method. Set C such that y is a letter in the word smile. So in this way we have to write that in the form of rule method. So y is any element in that set. Y take, x take, any your choice, you can write in small letters. Now fourth one. So fourth is, see that fourth, D is a set. See that all the days are given. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all these day of a week is given. So let us consider Z element we can write now. Any element you can write. Z is a set. Z says that Z is a day of week. Similarly, question number 5. So sub question 5, X is a set is given and 80. So 80 are the elements, means which word, all these elements form 8. Okay. So let us consider Y is an element. Y such that Y is a letter in the word it. So in this way the first exercise finished now. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching video. Please subscribe, like and share our channel.